welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about something really important. You might remember my old video about climate change. It was one of the first videos I made, so I'll link that one up here. And today I want to talk about a big contributor to climate change. Because we all know that fossil fuel is one of the biggest contributors. But did you know that deforestation and forest degradation are responsible for around 15% of all greenhouse gases that lead to climate change? That's a really big number. How does that work? For a tree to grow, it needs carbon. And where does that come from? The air. Fortunately, to the tree, there is CO2 in the atmosphere. So it takes up the carbon and leaves all the oxygen to us. Great! But what happens when we take down a tree? First, it won't be able to absorb carbon from the atmosphere anymore. So more CO2 will be left and contribute to climate change. And second, CO2 will be released from the roots and from burning the wood. And this is why forests play a critical role in mitigating climate change, as it acts like a carbon sink. It is soaking CO2 that would otherwise contribute to climate change in the atmosphere. But unfortunately, 40% of the global forest has been removed, and we're losing about 27 football fields every second. The main cause to deforestation is agriculture. This is due to a larger population that needs more food and also a shift in our diet that requires more land and resources. We're also using more soy and palm oil for everything from animal feed to lipsticks and biofuels. So what can we do about it? Well, one thing is to make sure that we are planting more trees in the world to counteract the deforestation. A few of the biggest YouTubers have recently gone together to address this problem by planting trees. Since October 25th, almost 50 million trees have been donated. So be part of this YouTube movement, you too, and join TeamTrees and give some money to this organization. And it can be quite complicated when planting trees. It's not always good, but in this case, it is the biggest organization in the US and they know what they are doing. So that's good. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!